Hey, it's Kat. I've got your Thursday, July 15th astrological forecast all ready to go. But first, we're going to do what we always do. We're going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness leaving our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire bodies of white light, love, and the will to good, but then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity, right back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Cancer affirmation, as above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. We're going to say it together and stay in the space of white light for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. 4, 3, 2. Wonderful. Well, I'm really excited. I don't know if you watched the video yesterday, but I have a 15-minute guided meditation coming out today. It will be published at noon today on YouTube. I'm so very excited. I'm going to have one for each sun sign. So the one coming out today is for our current sun sign, Sun in Cancer, and then I will have one, of course, for Leo. I will also be coming out with the entire month of Leo forecast next week. So be looking for that. More about that later. But welcome to Thursday, July 15th on the Soul Sister channel. And the good times just keep on going, guys. They just keep on going. We have this beautiful, dreamy energy today of the Sun trine Neptune. So we have the Sun in Cancer, trining Neptune in Pisces, 2 water signs. They are connected by a trine, 120 degrees. And this is a very easy flowing, very getting along together, everything just moving so nicely together. The only problem with it is it's just so easy going that we're not going to get too much done because we're just flowing down the river, right? And so that's our warning for today. We are heavily into our emotions, just feeling dreamy and daydreaming and maybe thinking about maybe going to see that new movie that came out, or maybe getting that good book at the library. Do we still do that? I think we kind of do books on tape now too, don't we? But however it looks. But we are not focused. Remember, we had the moon in Virgo yesterday. The moon went into Libra this morning at 7:30. So it's out of that detail, that strategizing, organization, and now we're into the relationship. So we have this beautiful water energy just flowing. Again, it continues on as far as building, nurturing, balancing our relationships, especially our intimate relationships. bringing harmony to them, working on little issues, little places that we're not on the same page. We are so easy to get along with. Everyone is so easy to get along with today. If we have that sticking problem, we might want to go and discuss it and communicate it gently with our partner or with our family member, whoever it pertains to, especially if it's something that concerns our nurturing or our safety or security, or the nurturing and safety security of those who are near and dear to us. So if we're having any kind of issues around that energy, it's a great day to get it out in the open and see what kind of solution we can come up with. And the energy is there today that we can actually come up with a compromise or maybe a consensus. So we can try that today. That's great energy. So as far as the moon in Libra, we are bringing balance and harmony to our relationships again. It's also about beauty, the beauty of our surroundings, kind of going along again with the sun in Cancer. You know, we want our home to be a place where we can renew, where we can heal. And so we want to have it visually aesthetic for us. We want it to be beauty. It doesn't have to be expensive, just pleasing, just healing to us. So this energy today, we might want to do a little bit of redecorating at home. We might even want to change how we look and buy clothes that we feel that are more reflective of who we've become since we've been learning and growing so much. So great energy today. And like I said, it's not an energy to get anything done. So just remember that. And if we're at work, we're going to have to be a little bit more conscious about being focused on the details, because they're not going to come as easily today as they did yesterday. That is for sure. But it's a great time with this moon in Libra also to hang out with friends, socialize, go do something with your buddies. Good energy. It just keeps coming. Good summertime energy, right? Setting the theme for the whole week. We've got good summertime energy for those of us in the northern hemisphere. Okay. Passion and pleasure. Savor your life. What a great card for today, right? Navigating the stars, following your bliss. Reaching your destination, your light is shining brightly. Oh my gosh, what great energy to talk about today. Just that we were talking about, just have a great day today. Enjoy the physical pleasures of life today, whether that's a good book, a good movie, whether it's a walk in the woods with our special someone, or take a walk on the beach, or go to that new cute restaurant down the street. Just being with friends and family and our loved ones. Enjoy the passion and the pleasure of being in this incredible physical body that we got this lifetime. Navigating the stars, follow your bliss. That's what Jupiter retrograde is all about. We haven't been talking about the skeletons lately, but they're still there. But today, with our confidence, with our spontaneity, with our feeling good and feeling close to our loved ones, it's a great energy to help us follow our bliss as we work on nurturing ourselves and nurturing those around us and making sure that we're safe and secure and we have a good foundation. We can follow our bliss. Jupiter is right in our closet. Come on. Get with it. Follow your bliss. And reaching our destination. If we follow our bliss, we will reach our destination and our light will shine even brighter than it already is. So great energy from the universe today, telling us to enjoy the day with our friends and loved ones, doing some fun stuff with our senses, eating, going to the botanical gardens. Hey, that was a good one, right? Okay, that's our smelling sense. And not only that, we're getting some of us need a little pinch, because we're still afraid of following our bliss. Come on now, people. Let's take a chance on ourselves. It's a great day to do it. Let's make that decision to follow our bliss so our light will even shine brighter. Have a great Thursday today. Remember to be kind. It's a great day. You're going to get some good response back today if we're kind, unlike weeks ago when we were trying to hide from all the craziness. So get out there and enjoy. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily messages. And if you like what you see today, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out the 15-minute guided meditation that comes out today at noon. Thursday, July 15th at noon, for whoever's watching this at whatever time. Remember, life is lived from the inside out. Have a great Thursday. Namaste.